Oh, good day, ladies and gentlemen, and thank goodness it is a good day. Almost had to have a funeral for the Big Six today. Yep, yep. So turns out I got a call this morning from a certain XJoe81X on YouTube who lives up the block, and he said he's getting into riding his bike some more, so he came over and had a question about something and whatever, and we talked for a bit, and before you know it, we went to Home Depot and I got some new patio chairs and stuff. But on the way there is a turnoff for a different route, and there was a van in the middle lane who decides that he's going to exit from the middle lane. Totally didn't give a shit whatsoever at all that any other cars were there. It was essentially the Family Guy clip, "I turn now, good luck everybody else," which is probably the most misquoted line from Family Guy ever.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Anyways, let me show you the clip here.
So we're gonna need a wagon when we get there. Cart.
Oh, wagon? That's right. All right. Car accident. That guy had to get off.
Yeah, but too bad.
Right. He had to get off exactly at that second.
Yeah, he missed his turn. Fuck
And
him.
then everybody has to get killed while he tries to fucking figure out where he's going.
ABS and all.
Yeah, that was pretty ridiculous. Basically, I don't know what the dash cam actually captured because I haven't actually watched it yet. I'm recording this intro and outro before I go and actually get that footage and edit this up. But yeah, he was definitely going to cut right over from the middle lane, cut me off to get off on his exit. He couldn't just possibly go to the next block and turn around and get the same route you can get north or south or east or west, whichever way it runs, east or west rather, uh, just by turning around. No, let's endanger everybody on the road. I slammed on the brakes. It triggered the ABS. Thank fuck there was nobody behind me to rear end me, because otherwise we'd then have a really, really, really big issue. And if the guy just cut me off like that, he probably would have ripped the fucking front end off. I can't stand it anymore. Lately, it actually has been pretty good on the road, at least for me, the little that I actually have to go out. But today was the day. And, it's always funny because you always think about that with an incident like this, where if I left the house 5 seconds later, this wouldn't have happened, or 5 seconds sooner, or anything like that. But anyway, thank fuck nothing happened, because otherwise there would be a lot of hell to pay if I didn't actually murder that guy right in the middle of the road there. Because you fuck my car up, that's pretty much what's going to happen to you. I'll go to jail. It'll be worth it. I was doing nothing wrong to start with. Yeah, I know I'm penalized after that, but hey, at least I'll get my just desserts. But I'll be happy that I took care of the ass who did that to me. Anyway, I don't know anymore. It's been a long day outside, and that's about it. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.